Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the Spirich bathroom cabinet wall mounted with doors, a versatile and elegant storage solution for your home. This cabinet is crafted from quality manufactured wood, featuring decorative beadboard paneling and sleek silver knobs, ensuring both stability and durability. Designed with functionality in mind, it includes an adjustable shelf inside to accommodate various sized items and an additional open shelf at the bottom for easy access or display. Perfect for maximizing space, this wall-mounted cabinet can be installed above a vanity, desk, or even over the toilet, making it ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, or dining rooms. Its clean lines and minimalist design bring a modern and elegant touch to any room, seamlessly blending with any style or decor. Plus, the assembly is a breeze with detailed instructions and numbered parts to guide you step by step. With overall dimensions of 21.5 inches wide by 7.48 inches deep and 24 inches high, this cabinet is the perfect addition to enhance your home organization and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.